This is Frank Church, your United States Senator, speaking to you from Washington. I want to talk to you briefly about Idaho outdoors. We have hardly begun to tap Idaho's potential as a summer playground. Tourism, already a good income producer for Idaho, could become a bonanza for our state as it has in many of our neighboring states if we but have the pluck and the foresight to wisely conserve and utilize certain of our truly unique attractions.
In the 60s and 70s, environmental protection, which included setting aside public lands, was very bipartisan. It wasn't a Democrat issue, it wasn't a Republican issue, it was an American issue.
I think there is no scenic grandeur anywhere in the United States to compare with the jagged summits of the Sawtooths.
Church understood very well that he was a representative of the people, and what Church wants may not necessarily be what Idaho wants.
It makes no sense to destroy a beautiful area that was still pristine, just the way God created it, for a mineral that was in surplus worldwide. We want to protect and preserve some portions of Idaho, and in other areas we want to develop them, but we don't want to destroy them.
We stand in the shadow of giants, and we can do what we're able to do here to protect this place because of what they did.
This is a celebration of the federal government's overreach and management of what should be state lands. That's what this is, pure and simple. Says it in the title.
House Concurrent Resolution number 51 has failed to pass the House and will be retained in the office of the Chief Clerk.
A lot of folks think when they come onto the National Recreation Area that our number one purpose and our number one value is recreation. Those 6 values that are mentioned are our priorities, and of course recreation is a part of that, but we need to make sure that we're managing recreation so they don't substantially impair or impact those other values.
Part of the personal tie to the Sawtooths is trying to ensure that the management actions that we take today are equal to the task of the change that's coming.
I've been there, of course, many, many times, but I was up on Galena Summit and I was standing there with a colleague and we looked out and we thought, well, despite all the headaches and despite all the lawsuits, you know, the fact that it looks beautiful and it is beautiful is a reflection of the fact that the scheme worked.
Idaho outdoors belongs to you. It is yours in trust to enjoy and to safeguard for future generations.